Good morning. Welcome to my channel, Shehre Banu's Tips and Tricks for Exam. If you're watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to watch my previous videos on learning tips and how to write answers during exam. Today's video is based on tips to solve case studies in business studies. Let's get started. To solve the case studies, you need to read the question first and then the paragraph so that you are able to find the answer. If you'll read the paragraph first and questions after that, then how will you know what to find out? So read the question first. For example, identify the levels of management. So while reading the paragraph, you need to keep in mind levels of management. Now try to find out from which chapter the question has been asked. This way it will become very easy for you to find the answer. If you have been asked to find importance of organizing, in that case, you go through the paragraph and find out which importances are applicable. Write those headings, and as I had mentioned in my previous video, explain the heading in your own language, of course using keywords. That way you will be able to write answer. Next is, when you get questions related to quote the lines, you should preferably write complete sentence. If you write putting dots, that is not wrong, but I would suggest you to write complete sentence. What happens is, most of the students, to save time, they do not write complete sentence. They write the first two words and then put dots and write the last two words. Like I said earlier, it's not wrong, but in case the words are similar to other sentences, same beginning words and same ending words are there, then it will be difficult for the examiner to know that out of those two similar sentences, which exactly has been written by the student. This is the reason why I'm telling you to write complete sentence. One best method of solving the case study is, whenever you read case study, feel that it is happening with you. Have practical application. You keep yourself in the person's place about whom the case study has been written and then try to solve it. This will help you find the correct answer. I hope this video will solve all your queries. If you have not subscribed yet, go for it. Do like and share my videos. And don't forget to watch my upcoming video on tips to solve value-based questions. Thank you.